So if you implement exactly the steps I'm about to show you up in this video right now, you should be making a minimum at least $100 every single month. At least a minimum of $100 every single month. So just simply follow the step by step I'm going to do right now in your own relevant niche. You need to pick your own niche, do exactly what I'm about to do, and trust me, you will be set up for a proper affiliate marketing anywhere you are in the world. Okay, now as an affiliate marketer, you're faced with the problem of actually generating traffic to your landing page, and I'm also going to cover that right here. There are two major ways you can actually generate traffic. Either you're actually using the paid means or you're using the free organic traffic. Now the paid means may actually include but not limited to you using Google Ads, Facebook, YouTube ads as well. And there are other means as well you can do that if you want it super fast, but not everybody can actually afford that. So you may likely go for the free organic traffic, and I'm going to be covering that right here up on this video. So we have a lot to talk about. I just simply want us to jump right in, and I will show you the whole process which you can actually start earning at least $100 every single month. Now there are 5 steps inclusive right here, and the 4th step is that you want to figure out the low-hanging fruit in your niche. Now what do I mean by the low-hanging fruit? I want to come over to google.com, right? Google.com. On your Chrome, you go over to google.com. First thing you want to do is to come over to your settings and actually change, because honestly, I'll be honest with you, most people right in Nigeria or Africa don't really buy products online, but you want to change your traffic to where you can actually get enough sales. So you come over to your settings right here, and once you click on settings, you select search settings. Okay, search settings right here. Once you click on search settings, it opens for you. You scroll down to where it says region, right? Region settings, and you click on show more. Scroll down as well, and you select the United States right here like this. You select it, you click on enter, and you confirm that. Okay, once you confirm it, now once you confirm that, you set the next thing is to search for the low-hanging fruit in your relevant niche. Now myself, I love fitness niche or anything that has to do with mental health niche, so I'm just going to search for something health related. Let's simply type in baby. Now once I type in the keyword baby health, now the next thing I want to do is that I want to keep typing from letter A to letter Z to get relevant keywords in this phrase. Okay, to get relevant keywords from this phrase which I'll be using. Now when I come over here, I click on A, and you can see it says the first one says baby health and grooming kit. Now the next one says baby's health and safety. Now I love this a lot. I love A. Now I love A. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to come over here where it says report, click on report, and copy out all these tags. Okay, I'm going to copy out all those tags like this, and copy and take it over to my notepad and paste it right over here. You can see it right here. Paste it right over here. I've done that. I'm going to go back again one more time, and I'm going to click on B, and I'm going to cancel A and put in B, and I'm going to see this one. Now I like this one as well. I'm going to click right here on report. Now I will recommend you do this and get as much as 10 to 15 or 20 tags. Just get 20 keywords you can actually use. Now once you got that, I'm just going to do 2 for the sake of time. I have A and I have B right here, but I'll suggest, like I said, 10, 15, 20 for yourself. Okay, and also you want to scan this and check if there's anything free related. You want to remove that out depending on whatever you're searching for. You check that, and let's see. Now I like the first one right here. So once I copy out this one, I want to go over to YouTube. Now I open up YouTube and I paste that right over here by simply going over to paste. And once I do that, okay, now you want to make sure that it's a searchable key phrase. Okay, you need to make sure it's a searchable one like this. You can see the searchable, right? And which means it's valid. I'll enter into it and see exactly what people are actually doing under it. Now you can look at this. A lot of people actually. Now you can look at this. These are the low budget fruit, hanging fruit, and you can see this one right here. This person don't even have up to 1,000 followers, but it's actually having more than 2,000 views, which means it's a good one. If you feel like this is a little tedious and you want to do it in a more quicker way, you can actually use a site called Sheriff or use Uber Suggest. Next thing is that you want to actually sign up for affiliate program, right? So you can actually get your product. There are lots of places you can actually sign up for affiliate program in Africa or in Nigeria, to be precise. One of which is JVZoo. On JVZoo, you can sell a lot of product, different product worldwide, and also you have Systemi.io, the same. In fact, you can promote a lot of product right also over here, and we have more. We have share sales as well. Share sale as well is free to apply, and you can apply anywhere you are in the world, Africa and Nigeria. So once you sign up for all those websites, it's really easy. Sign up and actually get the link for a product you want to promote in your relevant niche, just like I stated earlier on. Once you do that, now the next thing you want to move in, which is the third thing, is that you want to create a content. Now there are two ways you can actually create a content, which I'll recommend for you right now. It's either a blog post content or a YouTube video. Now it could be a YouTube short or a YouTube video, just like this one. Now you need to understand that content are key for affiliate programs. Content serve as your army that will go out there and actually fight for audience to your landing page. So you need to make sure you have a content. Two ways you can actually create a content, either a blog content or a YouTube video. Those are two recommended ways you should try out. The first phase is the blog part. Now when you talk about blogs, you can actually go for the free blog or you can go for a paid blog. Now I always recommend you go for a paid blog. I know you'll be saying, oh Prophet, if I'm unable to afford a paid blog and I actually want to make sale, it's easy. Go up to a place called Google site. Now up on Google site, Google will actually allow you to create a website for free, and it will also rank. All you need to do is to come over to googlesites.com, sign up, get started, and you can actually create your website. Now if you're having difficulty creating or using Google Sites and you want me to make a video on this, make sure you let me know in the comment section, or you can actually go out to YouTube as well and search how to use Google Sites to create a website. And trust me, you're gonna see a lot of response out there. But if you feel like you want one from me, then let me know in the comment section and I will be sure to do that and show you how you can actually create a free website that is going to rank on Google for you. Alright, so once you have your website set up on Google Ads, then next you actually want to make a blog post. Okay, now I'm going to show you an easy way you can actually use to make a blog post via AI. You don't really need to do any work, and AI will actually do all the typing for you. I'm going to show you two places you can actually do that. Now the first place you want to go over to create a blog post is a site called shortlyai.com. Now here you sign up, click on got it, next, and then you come over here. It says write an article or write a story. You click on start writing. Okay, now once you click on start writing here, the first thing you want to do is that you want to paste in those your keywords. You want to paste them one after the other to get short notes on them, and you don't really need to do the typing, just like I stated. Just come over here and paste those your keywords. Let's try it for the first one. Okay, we have baby health and grooming kits, and I'll come over here and it says a little somewhere in between and a lot. I'm going to click on a lot right here, and I'm going to click on write for me. Now once I click on that, it begins to write. You can see I'm not touching anything and it's writing for me, and once it stops, I'm done with that keyword. I can actually click on it again for it to write more, or I can leave it like this, copy. Now I have a little about this particular keyword. The next thing I want to do is to open up my website, my already created website, by Google site or by a paid website. Once I open it up, so I click on post and I click on new post, I enter up my keywords as my title. I'm going to paste that right here once more. Paste that right over there, baby health and grooming kits. Then I want to go over back there and copy out the article that the AI have actually wrote for me. I want to go over right there and copy it out. Now once I copy it out and paste it right here, I'm going to arrange it properly. Okay, arrange it properly, and you're going to do the same for every single keyword. Okay, make sure you have a lot written out down so you can have several places to actually place your links. Now the next thing is how you can actually place your link. Now on your website, you're going to see something like this, a sign like this. Before you click on it, you go over and highlight wherever you want to paste the link. Let's say I want to put the link right here. I highlight this and I come over and click on link. Then I go over to the affiliate program. So I come over here and paste in my affiliate marketing. Once I paste in my affiliate marketing link and I click on enter, you can see right here that it's a little bit colorful, and that means my link has been embedded in this place, in this text right now. So once anybody come over here and click on this particular text, it takes that person to my landing page. And after doing that, all I need to do is to click on post Once I have complete words out, mind you guys, yours should be more than this. You need to write more than this one. So that's why you have to pick out up to 10 or 15 or 20 keywords so you can write under them and place your link in different places. Also make sure you read and arrange your content very well. Now, I'd have loved to do this for you guys step by step, but due to time's sake, I just want to simply guide you on most important factors you really need to put out down. Now, alright, so after doing that, you go ahead and make this public. Once you make it public out, then you go over and view your post. I click on view post. Once I click on view post, it loads out my post. Now from the viewing side of my post, I go over here, you can see here, and I copy out the link right over at the top right here. Now that's for part 1, but before we move on to part 2, I want to show you another place you can actually generate another article. Okay, ai.com, and this one is anywords.com. right? You come over here and put in your keyword. Once you have your keyword, you come over as well and click on next. It generates a lot of keywords for you. Now this is really amazing. You can also see the internet search bar right here. 80%, 81%. You can see the next one has 79%. This 79, 75. Okay, I'm gonna pick up the first one. Scroll down and click on next, and then you can see different subheading actually just on a particular keyword. Now I can actually form different words from all these keywords it is actually generate for me, and these keywords are actually top search. You can see right here. All you need to do is to go over and also click on next as well and generate different paragraph for you, and you can actually write a lot with this particular app. So you can actually see right here that this one can help you write a lot more than the first one. You can see each keyword has different words right here. You can copy it out and also put on your blog. All right, you can either use shortlyai.com to actually write out your article for you without doing any work, or you can use anywords.com to actually write an article. Now let's move on to making a YouTube video, and it's also easy. I'm going to show you how you can do that on a website called pictory.io. Now right up here on pictory.io, you can actually change text into videos. Okay, right up on this place. Now it's easy. Once you sign up, you can either copy the video text. If you're copying the video text, if you're copying the text you want to turn into videos, you use the first option right here. Then if you're using a link, right, you want to use a YouTube video or text on your blog, right, and you want to use the link directly, you come over here and paste the link right here. Okay, once you paste the link right here, you click on proceed. Now that's how you can actually turn different things into video right up on this website. Now this website may be limited to 3 video free trial. Now you can actually optimize on that. How do you do that? Go over to a website called emailondeck.com. Emailondeck.com, what you can do is that you can generate several emails. Just come over here. Once you sign up, you click on I'm not a robot, and you click on get email. Now this email lasts for some minutes, maybe 35 minutes. So you can actually come over here, get one email, and go over and sign up again and again on Pictorial, and it can actually enable you create more videos continuously, and you can continue to use it for free. Once you have different email, you can continue to having a free trial, 3 videos free trial, and you can do that over and over again by generating several email on deck and coming over here to sign up. Now you have actually know how you can actually make video. Once you make the video, you simply go over to YouTube. You know how to create a YouTube channel. Just simply use your Google Mail, and you have your email and you have your YouTube channel running. You post your videos right there, and all your links, your affiliate links, should be placed in the description, just like I'm doing in my video as well, pasting links in the description box of my YouTube videos. And a lot of people who watch those videos can actually go down there to the description, click on those links, and it takes them directly to your landing page. So now you've actually known exactly how you can start up affiliate. The next thing which is left now is how you can actually draw traffic to your affiliate landing page and to those links. Majorly just 2 ways you can actually do that. One is by free traffic, and the other one is paid traffic. Now if you respond ASAP and you can actually afford the paid traffic, simply go over and create either a Google ad, Facebook ad, or Instagram ad, whichever one you feel best for you. But if you want free and organic traffic generated for you, and you are going to get sales, you see sales and you will be amazed. It's very easy. I have planned out everything for you to actually help you generate traffic. It's in this video right here. Simply click on it and see how you can actually start making sales right now. Let's go.